All right, guys, just finishing up here in East Sac. All the doors are the same, CHI short panel carriage house with long glass. This is the only one where we came in and did an overhead garage door opener. Builder did an incredible job with all these openings. Made for easy installs. Come right on around the corner. Show you what we got. This is also number 3. And if we come inside, this is what the other 3 look like. We've got the LiftMaster 98022 Jackshaft. Everything looking super clean. SCF garage doors. Give us a call if you need anything in the Sacramento area.